In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Yelp name. Whether you're updating your display name for privacy, rebranding, or just fixing a typo, I'll walk you through the process clearly and quickly with a few helpful tips along the way. First, open Yelp on your computer or the Yelp app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, the one where your reviews and photos live. If you're not already logged in, sign in using your usual credentials. Take a second to confirm you're on the official Yelp site or the official app, and avoid sharing any personal details on screen. Once you're in, you're ready to move on. Next, head to your profile. On desktop, look toward the top of the page for your profile icon or your name. On mobile, you'll typically find your profile tab toward the bottom. Click or tap your profile, then choose Account Settings. This is where Yelp groups your personal details and preferences, and it's the place you'll use to update what other users see attached to your reviews. Inside Account Settings, locate the section labeled Name or Display Name. Depending on your version of Yelp, it may appear under Personal Info or Profile. Select Edit. This opens the field that controls how your name appears publicly across Yelp, on reviews, photos, and comments. Now type the new name you want to use. This is your public-facing display name, so pick something you're comfortable having associated with your content. Double-check spelling, capitalization, and spacing. Avoid accidental extra characters, and consider keeping it professional and easy to recognize, so friends and businesses know it's you. If Yelp has community guidelines for names in your region, make sure your new name follows them to avoid rejections or rollbacks. Finally, save your changes by selecting Save or Done. Wait a moment for the update to apply. If you don't see it right away on your profile or reviews, refresh the page or relaunch the app. Sometimes it takes a moment to propagate. Your past reviews and photos will now display under your updated name, and nothing else about your content changes. That's it, simple and quick. If you ever don't see the option, try updating the app or switching to a desktop browser, and make sure you're editing the right account. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed Yelp identity.